caves and caverns.
What is this?
Realized there was a relationship between the.
Did you eat my chapstick?
And the caves.
I think you should go in the crate. Come on. Go in your crate. Did you eat my chapstick?
In ancient times,
You ate my chapstick.
but is it possible
Did you do that?
ancestors were also using caves
You
to
ate it?
record and protect information?
Did you eat this?
Terrestrial beings who played a role.
You better go in that crate. Come on. Get up. Let's go in the crate.
Halfway around the world.
Come on, big boy.
Southwest.
In the crate. Let's move it. In the crate. You ate my chapstick. Go. Go. You can't eat chapstick and get away with it. You gotta go in the crate. Go on. Get in the crate. Go. Get in there. Go on. Go on. This doesn't have to take an hour. Go into the crate. Good job. Don't be eating my chapstick anymore. That's not cool, man. It's like 99 cents a tube. It's big money. Don't eat my chapstick anymore. You can come out in a little bit. You're in a timeout. Don't do it.